Welcome once again. Are you looking for cool tools that makes your life easier? Among the tools that make life easier, Evook's installation for residential pitched roofs is quick and easy. It requires no nails or screws and causes no damage. Despite having dozens of anchor points in a single system, it works safely and efficiently, avoiding fines without increasing labor time. Roof cleaners, pest control companies, solar panel installers, satellite dish installers, roofers, Christmas light installers, and more rely on Evook's system to get the job done safely and on time. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions and get special training from a competent person. Once on the roof, it looks surprisingly easy. You should always be careful when working at height, but when you use a system that protects you and is easy to use, it seems amazing. By the way, it's only easy if you know what you're doing, and it's only safe if you do it right. As a wise rope worker says, the secret is using common sense. We know you're a fan of scaffolding. Here's a factory that specializes in solving the needs of the scaffolding industry and has created one of the tools you never knew existed to provide maximum efficiency and safety. Extensive experience in the industry led them to recognize the need for these innovative products, critical to reducing risk and making the job more effective. The scaffold clamp is ergonomically designed, using only high-quality and durable materials. This brings both safety and efficiency to your working environment. With an innovative approach to lifting corrugated sheets from scaffolding, it offers a faster and safer alternative to traditional methods. This is achieved by implementing an automatic double locking system. The highlight of the innovation is that it does not require any additional tools, such as a scaffolding wrench, thus simplifying the work process. Professionals have validated this tool through rigorous lifting tests, demonstrating that the scaffold clamp can easily adjust its width to up to 10 panels, 40% more than other similar products on the market. In addition, its efficient operation requires only 2 operators at a time, minimizing downtime and reducing labor costs. If the above surprises you, wait until you meet the powerful, innovative AirSpade 5000 Arbor Air Digger, which features the AirSpade supersonic nozzle for exceptional digging performance. It is ideal for delicate tree work, such as vertical mulching, root exposure, radial digging, and soil aeration. The inline handle design is intended for applications where holding the tool in an upright position is preferred. The AirSpade 5000 Arbor harnesses the power of compressed air by incorporating the patented AirSpade high-performance supersonic nozzle. Constructed of extra-hardened stainless steel, this nozzle produces a laser-like jet of air that travels twice the speed of sound for faster, more efficient digging. The durable, lightweight aluminum handle features a full-size grip opening for easy use with gloves. Comfortable plastic handle provides thermal protection and some electrical installation. The dead man's trigger ensures safe operation, and the trigger guard prevents accidental activation. Plus, the built-in pressure gauge ensures optimal digging performance. Ready to be fascinated again? Rolling out the ramp by following these steps is essential for effective and safe use of this cool must-have tool. Starting with the clearly labeled top end that goes on top, the process becomes intuitive. By laying the ramp on its side and grasping it as shown, its natural deployment makes the task easier. The precaution of avoiding pinch points and ensuring that all covers are in place is critical to maintaining the integrity of the ramp and preventing potential damage or malfunction. Gently folding the ramp and carefully placing it in its final position minimizes risk and increases the life of the equipment. It's important to remember that when positioning the ramp, the MO1 section must be in contact with the target surface along with the approach plate. This not only ensures equal weight distribution, but also maintains the stability and functionality of the approach plates. It's time to introduce you to a new addition to the world of cool air-powered tools, the Turbo 9040 T1 air gun. This tool is a great addition to this product line, providing a powerful and convenient blowgun with a highly effective rotary air blast. Designed to clean a variety of surfaces, from upholstery to wheel arches and carpets with embedded pet hair, the Turbo Blowgun is perfect for professional vehicle preparation, especially interior cleaning. Not only does this tool excel at surface cleaning, it's also ideal for preparatory cleaning tasks when disassembling various parts. Its versatility makes it suitable for use on machinery, vehicles and workshops, and in woodworking. The built-in rotating nozzle creates a powerful pulse of air that easily removes even the most stubborn dirt. Despite its power, the Turbo Blowgun is surprisingly lightweight at only 163 grams, making it suitable for extended cleaning sessions. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient tool for cleaning stubborn dirt or drying parts and surfaces, the Turbo Blowgun 9040 T1 is the ideal choice. I can assure you that you've never seen this 20-inch MX Fuel compactor plate coming, a tool that makes life easier and provides the most efficient and reliable compaction. Thanks to the Power State brushless motor, it has the power to hit harder and move faster, ensuring maximum productivity without compromising compaction performance. This compaction plate eliminates the hassles associated with gasoline because it has a push-button start and requires no regular maintenance, reducing downtime and getting the job done faster. It also provides greater control with its multi-directional capability and fast slow speed control, making it easier to maneuver around molds. The MX Fuel 20-inch compactor plate includes two MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 batteries and a supercharger. In just 65 minutes, you can charge an MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery to 100%. Both the battery and the supercharger are compatible with CoolCycle, an active cooling system that provides fast cooling. The MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery provides 35 minutes of continuous runtime, or the ability to compact 5,000 square feet on a single charge. A tool for the do-it-yourself enthusiast, and for sure for you, safer drilling. Universal Detect allows you to scan up to 10 centimeter deep into walls, drywall, ceilings, and floors. It detects metal objects, single-phase electrical wiring, or wooden structures, allowing for safer drilling when hanging pictures, objects, or installing light fixtures. Plus, this handy detector requires no manual calibration. Just turn it on and start detecting. For intuitive operation, Animations provide step-by-step instructions. The LED light system and optional audible signal indicate the location of the detected object. The easy-to-use Universal Detect has a hole in the center of the tool for precise marking during use. Almatro has launched an innovative range of lightweight, compact combi tools specifically designed for rapid intervention in vehicle extraction and extrication of trapped persons in emergency situations. This new generation of tools offers exceptional versatility to meet the specific needs of various rescue operations. The range of models available gives users flexible options. They can choose from hand tools, pump-powered tools, or battery-powered tools. In addition, there are short and long arm options, allowing you to choose the most appropriate model for the specific needs of your job. The 5111 models with short arms offer superior expansion force, ideal for situations that require extra power. On the other hand, the 5117 models with long arms are characterized by a greater expansion distance, prioritizing coverage in specific situations. Lighter weight, smaller size, high performance. Formerly known as Onyx OS, another of those tools that'll make your life easier, has been designed to accurately and reliably determine the strength and class of concrete. This process is carried out by the means of the scarifying pull-out method, in accordance with the requirements of GHOST 22690. This device finds valuable applications in construction projects, as well as in detailed inspection of buildings, structures, and various constructions. In addition to its main function, the Onyx One OS is also effectively used to adjust the calibration characteristics of ultrasonic and impact pulse devices. This is done in accordance with the methodological instructions of NIBGIM MDS 622.01 and GHOST 22690 Appendix 9. This aspect is crucial to ensure accurate and reliable measurements in various environments and conditions. In addition, the instrument offers additional versatility with specialized accessories. It can be used to evaluate the bond strength of bricks and stones in masonry. This invention will not go unnoticed, we assure you. The Talon Industries Hangman is an impressive tool that transforms any free rung of your ladder into a powerful and convenient hanging system. Simply insert a hangman, lock it in place, adjust it, and you're ready to hang up to 35 pounds of tools. This ingenious device is incredibly flexible and adapts to virtually any angle, allowing you to hang a variety of tools within easy reach. It's compatible with most standard contractor ladders. All you need is an open rung. By keeping your valuable tools close and secure, you'll improve job site safety and reduce the risk of falls and damage to expensive equipment. The revolutionary hangman makes it easy to access tools on both sides of your ladder, helping to minimize unnecessary distractions and prevent injuries caused by falling tools or difficult access to critical ladder surfaces. These great tools will make your life much easier and more manageable, so don't miss out.